Welcome to the tutorial on auditing. Now we are going to learn about the audit program. Audit program is a plan of action translated into specific areas of audit works with checklist of actions to be performed. What are the works would be done under the plan of action for audit? That list of actions are considered as a audit program. An audit program includes the following issues such as specific listing of audit area components in terms of related procedures. You need to prepare the list of procedures. Then after listing the procedures for the works of audit, you need to assign the staff. The second issue under the audit program is staff positioning. The staff who would do the specific procedures are also specified in the audit program. After that, you need to specify the time. The audit program specifies the time or date by which the work should have been completed. After listing the procedures and recruiting the staff and specifying the time, you need to sequence those issues. Audit program fixes up the time values in such a way that the overall completion of the audit is not hampered for want of performance of initial and routine audit procedures. You should make a sequence of all the procedures so that there is no interruption among the works. After that, in audit program, you need to fix responsibilities of the staff. The auditor assigns the duty to different staff. And finally, in audit program, you should keep in your mind that there is a documentation process, because the audit program is often written and is filed and kept as an evidence that the work is well planned, carried out in accordance with the plan. So these are the issues you need to include in your audit program. In the first stage, list all the areas of work or procedures, then recruit the staff, then specify the time and date, then sequence those list of work, then assign the responsibility, and ultimately follow the documentation in written format. Thank you.